Hi there, today I'm in a racing park looking at Elektrisk Polaris. It's a small 5-seater. Let's see how much good it is. I can fit 2 choices in a car. There's 3 tires in there. There's 2 cup holders with an armrest. There's door buttons for my water bottle and my iPad and my wallet. Storage front is really good. There's 2 cup holders in here. There's door buttons for my water. And there's no glasses case in the ceiling for both kids in the car. The video system in this Polaris is very fantastic car. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You will put into reverse. The camera adjusts it automatically by the side in the car, and it has reverse sonar. The boot door in this Polaris closes electronically and silently. Let's see how much can fit in the boot. Empty, hold 15 shopping bags, a double stroller with 5 shopping bags, a triple stroller with 4 shopping bags, or the quad stroller you can't use the parcel shelf and 5 shopping bags, a stroller with 11 shopping bags, or a medium to large dog. Or there's a front boot in a Polaris with 5 shopping bags in use, and no strollers. To sum up, this Polaris is a very fantastic car. It probably has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.